oil cooler cleaned and out. It's in now. And then we are putting this in, and then we've got the alternator. We just put it on the side. So what we did is that we put in the alternator so that we don't have issues coming through here. And then we put the cooler. And then now this, we are putting this here, screwing it in. And then from there, I think we should be ready to put the pulleys, put that there, and then we can close out the bumper after putting in this as well. So this is where we are now. The engine looks like this. It's a bit clean. So this has been cleaned out. All the dirt that was here, it's cleaned out. Okay guys, when you put this back, don't forget to install this rubber that comes with it. Yeah, this is the sensor for the airflow box, air manifold. it was disconnected, hence it read the code is a P0118 or P1068, yeah. Circuit open. It was disconnected from the box and hanging inside the engine, not sure where. So we are going to try and connect it and then seal it with this on top of that there, and see if it will be able to stick around this time. And then we'll also check the code and see if it comes back, or else we'd need to have to change this if there's an issue with the wiring. Okay guys, this is the sensor that we changed for the error code P2007 and 2006. We also changed the vacuum line. Hopefully it will work, we'll see. But we've ordered the originals also at Audi, so we just want to see if this could be the problem, and then we'll come and remove this and put in the original ones from Audi. As you can see there, put one there, joined there. But we hope it will come out okay. Now we are going to put back the intake manifold. Here it is. We've also changed that sensor as well. So it's the same sensors, they just go to the same place, so we've changed the both of them. Yep. And then there's also one right about here. Yeah, same sensor here, which we'll also change. And then we'll see what happens. So as you can see, all of these are new vacuum lines, and that over there. So yeah, those are the new ones that we've put in, and this will be going, and this one goes there. So we have everything. We'll close that out and see how it goes. Yep, let's get it done. Oh, and also for the P0118, I think the issue was the plug there. We had an issue with this plug, engine coolant sensor plug, which is located here. So we had to cut out the wires, get a plug like that from the scrapyard. Yeah, then we joined it there and sealed it. Issues were the sensor below the intake manifold, and also just the wire connector on the